it's the 1st of March and we are here outside of Burncoose house, and behind me is Magnolia, sprengeri, Diva Burncoose. I'm showing you it because this is the first year that we are going to be selling our homegrown Magnolia seedlings in quite some time. So this is really impressive Magnolia. It can grow up to about 33 foot. And it's very hardy, down to about -20. It was raised here by the late Arnold Dance, who was head gardener many moons ago, and it's just a beautiful plant, and as you can see it flowers incredibly. It's been flowering for about 2 weeks, I'd say, and it's doing really well. So yeah, we're going to have a range of Magnolia seedlings. There's Lanarth, F.J. Williams, Sargentiana robusta, and these will be at reduced rate to make it a bit more accessible for people to buy magnolias. And yeah, I hope you love them.